seconds. Start here is 100, right 4 minus 300. Lock.
Oh yeah, thank you. I wasn't ready, I lied.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit it. 100, right 4 minus. Then 300. At the end of the 300 is a turn, left 2 plus, opens. Up there is a turn, left 2 plus, opens. 30. Then right 5 plus.
There we go, nice and easy.
Now
so
right
much
5
better.
plus, into left 6 over small crest. Then left 5 plus, care 30, turn right 1 plus, narrow. So left 5 plus, care 30, turn right 1 plus, narrow. 30. And left 3 minus.
That was a lot better.
Left 3 minus, into right 4 plus, 50. Then right 4, tightens drive, 3 off camber. 30, stay left over small crest, care 20.
Oh yeah, that's way better.
Sucks, yeah. Care 20, drive left 1 over bump unseen.
Oh, there we go. Oh, come on, turn.
You got it.
Oh yeah, cool.
Right 5 short, into left 2 plus over crest. Into right 5 minus, 50. Then small crest 70 and left 3 over jump. Into right 3 plus. Into left 4 very long. Left 4 very long, over small crest. And right 6 over small crest. Then right 5 plus over small crest very long. Into small crest, and left 6 short 70. Then small crest 20, right 4 short, into left 5 minus. Into right 4 over crest, into left 6 50. Then right 4 plus over crest, into turn, left 3 long over crest. So right 4 plus over crest, into turn, left 3 long over crest. Then right 5 minus short, into left 4 minus, 30. Then right 4 narrow through gate, into left 3 plus. Then right 3 30. And left 4 minus. Left 4 minus, and right 4 50. Now right 4 50. Then right 3 plus. Into left 4 minus, opens and tightens to 4 plus. Into right 3 very long. Here's your torque tightens. Now right 3 very long. Then left 3 plus over small crest. Into right 6 plus over small crest 50. Care right 4 minus over crest down. Now care right 4 minus over crest down. Into left 3 plus, opens off camber long. Left 3 plus, opens off camber long, 100. Then left 4 over crest, opens and tightens to 4 minus. That's a left 4 over crest, opens and tightens to 4 minus. Into right 6 short. Into left 6, 50, right 3. 70, turn, right 4 minus. That's a turn, right 4 minus, 200. At the end of the 200 is a turn, right 3 minus.
Right 3?
Correct.
Okay, cool, I see it.
Into left 5 plus. 50. then left 5, tightens 4 minus. Small crest, 50. Then right 6 plus into left 5 plus, opens and tightens 6 over small crest, 120. Then right 3 plus over crest, so here's your tighten 6, now 120, then right 3 plus over crest. 30. Small jump 50, then left 5 plus, short over crest, deceptive. Then right 6 over crest, tightens to 5. Right 6 over crest, tightens to 5, 70, and left 4 plus late. Into right 5, opens and tightens to 5 plus. Right 5 opens and tightens 5 plus, 50. Then crest into left 6, 50, right 3. Left 6, 50, right 3. Into right 6 plus over crest, 30. Then left 4 plus tightens. Left 4 plus tightens. Then opens very long, 50. Then right 4. Up there's a right 4 into turn left 4. Into right 6 long over long crest, 100. Now right 6 long over long crest, 100. Then long small crest, 100. And small crest, 50. Then left 6 into small crest, braking 70, through gate, turn right 2 plus. So left 6 into small crest, braking 70, through gate, turn right 2 plus. 200.
A little too much on the throttle.
Yep, got a little excited.
Yeah, I did.
Long small crest 70, then left 4 opens. Into right 6 plus, 150. Right 6 plus, 150. Small crest 40, right 4 plus late. So small crest 40, right 4 plus late. Over small crest 120. Then right 6. Into left 6. Into long small crest over 70. Then left 5 plus over crest 50. Then small crest 120, so here's your left 5 plus. Small crest 120 and small crest into right 6 plus into small crest 50, then right 650, left 5 minus. Very long. Right 650, left 5 minus.
Ah, fuck. That's my fault.
Left 5 minus, very long, 70. Then left 6 and right 6. Then left 5 into right 4 plus, 50. Right 4 plus, 50.
Left 4?
Oh, sorry. Left 5 plus.
Okay.
Into right 4, 50. Then left 5 plus, opens long, 70. Right 4, 100. It's your right 4, then 100. Small crest 70. Braking right 5 plus over small crest 30. Turn left 3 minus. Turn left 3 minus at T. Then right 5 minus, open 70. And left 6 long, tightens to 5. Left 6 long, tightens to 5. Into right 5 over small crest, 50. Now right 5 over small crest, 50. Then left 6, 300. After the 300 is a braking crest 30, slowing right 5 minus short, into immediate turn right 2 up unseen. So right 5 short into immediate, right 2 up unseen.
Oh yeah, there we go. Ah, that was a lot better.
50.
Less of interest at least.
Yep. Crest 50 and crest 200. Then small crest 30, left 3 minus. Small crest 30, left 3 minus. Over finish 50.
Come on. Good job.
You too, man. Much better that time.
I think I was faster.